Hello viewers, welcome back to VRK Homemaker. Today I'm gonna cook a village style of country chicken fry. You'll also know the health benefits of country chicken fry. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notifications. And everybody knows the country chicken fry is very healthy and many of us love the flavor of the country chicken, and it also avoids the health risks. So everybody, let's start having the country chicken from now onwards. Now these are the ingredients. Let's get into the details. This is raw country chicken, which is I've already washed with the warm water and now ready to cook. I washed thrice with the normal water, and in the last I've washed with the warm water. Now half cup of oil and half cup of curry leaves and mustard seeds and black gram seeds, and this is garlics with slightly smashed one. Two knobs I've taken. If you want, you can add up one more, not totally a problem. And 1.5 spoon of coriander powder, 2 spoons of chili powder, and pinch of turmeric powder. These are all the overall ingredients to cook a country chicken fry. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use it for the country chicken fry. Chicken, as you all know, it is a very special dish for everyone. Now the pan is ready. Let's pour the oil. Why I'm using so much of oil? Because it's a country chicken, right? This country chicken, it contains more oil because it tastes good, and minimum of oil because we are going to fry only in the oil, and we'll add up less water with this, so I've just added half cup of oil. Now just add the mustard seeds and black gram seeds, and add a slightly smashed garlics of 2 knobs, and now just add a curry leaves. Now you just add the curry leaves, and now let it fry for some time. Yes, it's done now. Now we just gonna add some 2 spoons of chili powder. If you want more spicy, you can just add 3 spoons of chili powder, but we'll have less spice, so I'm having only 2 spoons of chili powder. Now add coriander powder of 1.5 spoon. Country chicken or all native domesticated fowl that are bred by local farmers on a small scale basis. Now add pinch of turmeric powder. Now let it fry. See, the bubbles are coming. As soon as the bubbles come, as soon as you put the chili powder, the bubbles will start coming. So now you add immediately the chicken. The raw chicken has been added now. Now just fry for some time. Yes, if you mix well, it will come like this. So mix well now. Many of us love the flavor of country chicken, right? And no health risk. Also contains more muscles and less fat. Have more complex and tender flavors. Healthier. Free range eggs contains 1/3 less cholesterol, 1/4 of less fat, 2/3 or more vitamins. By having your not gain weight, immunity boost. So in this situation, we must have the chicken so that we can gain more immunity, so that we'll not be falling into the sick anymore. We're not going to fall sick anymore. Chicken is a lean meat with high nutritional values, and eating it regularly will help you stay healthy. So please, we'll have everyday life. If we keep taking this chicken, it leads to stay healthy also. And fry nicely. The oil should float until you have to fry, and no need to add any water. Just close with the lid and let it leave to boil. Now look how it is, bubbles are coming. Wow, it is so colorful, right? Okay. And guys, please, who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Now you add the taste, how much ever you want, salt as per your taste. Salt has been added now. Just fry until the chicken get cooked. and because it is a country chicken, it takes time to cook. Okay, now I have not added any water, but if it is required you can add little water. I'm also going to add in coming. So you fry nicely, and guys who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and who have really like to watch my videos, please subscribe, then you will get every day my notifications. So look, now there is no water. Now I'm just adding because chicken is not yet cooked. So to cook that, again I've added water. If you want, add some more salt also as per your taste, and again you have to mix well and then close with the lid till the chicken gets cooked. After cooking, then you can just see how the oil is floating here. Wow, it is really yummy, right? I really love chicken to have, and it is very healthy food, and you can add up with your diet also. Okay guys, this is how the chicken fry will get prepared in a village style. So prepare this at home, and let me know the taste, how you felt, in the comment section. Stay healthy. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.